not the gunman, sir, but he's part of the suspects.
Did you interrogate this person? Was there a chance that you interrogated this person, that you filed a case? We do not want any our local chief executives na mangyayari na po na ganito. Mahirap naman po na magpapatuloy ang ganitong sitwasyon dito sa bansa na ang mga mayors ay pinapatay lang ng kahit na parang the killing is being done with impunity, Mr. Chair.
With his two companion from Cebu, dalawang PNCO, yung isa si Calumba at saka yung isa si Bulandres. Tapos, the killing of Mayor Halili happens.
So technically sir, I am no longer the chief of police nung nangyari yung kay Mayor Halili sir.
Okay, you're not anymore the chief of police, but you were then handling the assignment of Albotra.
Yes sir.
Tama.
Pero ang problema nga niyan, Mr. Chair, hindi nyo nahuli yung gunman. Nahuli ba ninyong gunman?
No, sir. Not yet, sir.
So how did you conclude that this person is the right person to be arrested? Paano ninyo na deduct na ito nga, ano bang dun sa findings niyo itong taong to na nasa ongoing on trial, ito ba ang mastermind, itong gunman, ano ba ito siya?
He was part of the he is not the gunman, sir, but he's part of the suspects.
Did you interrogate this person? Was there a chance that you interrogated this person, that you filed a case?
No, sir, no.
So you based the arrest on the circumstantial evidence lamang,
Yes, sir. And
based
the
on witnesses.
witnesses, yes, sir.
Pero hindi pa rin, for me, I think that case is not yet closed, considering that I'm very sure if this person is really involved, there are ikangang accomplices niyan to make the case stronger. Pero at this point in time, kung yung taong yun lang, nandito yung mga 2 weeks ago, or I think last week, and he has really testified that he has nothing to do with the killing. I just hope that the prosecution or your case is very tight, na walang mahanapan ng butas. But anyway, Mr. Chair, I hope that the police personnel will be more vigilant. We do not want any our local chief executives na mangyayari na po na ganito. Mahirap naman po na magpapatuloy ang ganitong sitwasyon dito sa bansa na ang mga mayors ay pinapatay lang ng kahit na parang the killing is being done with impunity, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, I have no further questions.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Pimentel. So, I guess Congressman Paduano is still full of energy. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, ganito lang po, Mayor Taranza. Because during that time, I think it's, noong 2020, nag-retire ka na, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ang pumalit sa iyo,
It was Colonel General Danao.
General Danao. Sino yung nagre-represent kanina sa...
General Natividad, sir.
So you're familiar with the death of Mayor Perez?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So during the time you were assigned in...
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kasi ganito po, of course, during the presentation of Chairman Dan Fernandez, doon po sa sasakyan Mayor, yung plaka kasi ni Rambo lang eh. Kumbaga yung plate na nakuha doon, parang binago lang pero almost the same, 4003 ata, tapos yung isa, Yung kay Perez at saka kay Halili. What I mean is, now, eto, 3044 at saka 4033. Yung sa Los Baños is 4033. So, during that time, familiar ka na si... Ito para to make just it clear lang, no? Yung kay Captain Albutra, because that time, he was assigned from Cebu, he was assigned in your region, doon po sa Los Baños. I think Los Baños, no? Sa Los Baños ka na-assign?
Calamba City Police Station po, Mr. Chair,
Calamba.
last or sometime on June 2018 po, Mr. Chair.
June 2018. So, Halili case, yung nandun ka. Tama?
Yun po yung date na na-assign po ako noon, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
so tama. But anyway, kasi ang pinagtataka lang po namin because he was assigned during the time and a few days lang, binalik sa Cebu, nirelieve, binalik yung order sa Cebu with his two companion from Cebu, dalawang PNCO, yung isa si Calumba at saka yung isa si Bulandres. Tapos, the killing of Mayor Halili happens. So, ang tanong po, ano po yung basis or reason why he was relieved? He was assigned there, then he was relieved.
The Chief of Police of Calamba is present, Chair.
Sir,
So, during the time you're the Chief of Police of Calamba,
sir, Sir Colonel Ulsano, sir, the former Chief of Police of Calamba, sir.
during the time ikaw yung Chief of Police and na time na inassign si Albutra doon.
Sir, the incident on...
Tanong, sagutin mo muna. Are you the Chief of Police then when he was assigned?
yes, sir.
Okay, sige.
Sir, the killing of Mayor Harili, if I am not mistaken, sir, was on July 2, 2018. I received my relief order dated June 27, 2018, sir. So we have turned over out the command as ng Chief of Police ng Calamba, sir. So technically, sir, I am no longer the Chief of Police nung nangyari yung kay Mayor Halili, sir.
Okay, you're not anymore the Chief of Police but you were then handling the assignment of Albutra.
Yes, sir.
Tama. So before you were relieved as Chief of Police of Calamba, na-relieve na rin under your watch si Albutra, tama?
Yes, sir.
O, yun yung tanong ko. Why he was relieved? Kasi napakabilis lang po. Tingnan mo Ay, sino ba naman hindi magdududa? From Cebu. May bitbit ng 2 tao. Inassign doon. Sandali lang. Then, nirelieve. After the relief, July 2, pinatay si Halili. Oh, now, what's the reason why of his relief that time?
Sir, may I give a background, sir, kung paano ko nakasama si Albutra, sir? Sir, sometime in 2012, sir, when I was the Chief of Police of Baay City Police Station in Negros Oriental, sir, my provincial director was then the regional director of Pro4A, sir, si Sir Ted Carranza, sir. Si Kenneth Albutra naman, sir, siya po yung provincial SOG ni Sir Carranza. And ako po yung COP ng Baay City. So, nagsabay-sabay po kami dun sa, sir, nagkakakilala kami sa Negros Oriental, sir. When General Carranza assumed the position of RD Pro4A, sir, tumawag po sa akin si Kenneth Albutra, sir. Sabi niya, sir, RD na yung boss natin, sabi niya, sir. Ano bang plano, sir? So I told Kenneth Albutra, sabi ko, actually I attended the turnover ceremony ng RD Pro4A. Tinanong niya sa akin, sir, sir, ano bang projection mo, sir? Nabanggit na rin sa akin ni Sir Ted Carranza na projected ako to be the chief of police ng Calamba City Police Station, sir. Then when I informed him, sabi niya, sir, mukhang maganda naman yung makukuha mo. Baka pwede pong sumama sa inyo. Ang sabi ko naman, kilala ka naman ni Sir Ted. I-clear ko lang kay Sir Ted kasi ang final say naman yan, si RD Pro 4A. So, I sent a Viber message to Sir Ted Carranza, sir. Nag-go signal naman si Sir Ted, sir, saying na snappy naman yan si Kenneth Albutra. Kasi sir, he was his PSOG nung PD time ni Sir Ted Carranza, sir, sa Negros Oriental. Then I sent yung pangalan ni Albutra, sir. Sinabi ko na rin kay Sir Ted Carranza, sir, na sir, may plano rin palang magsama si Kenneth ng kanyang mga tropa. Okay lang po ba? Dahil tiwala rin naman si Sir Ted kaya sa kaisnapihan ni Kenneth Albutra, sir, nag-go signal, sir, na isend ko yung pangalan nila. Then a reassignment order was issued from Krami, sir. Reassigning us, sir. I came from NCRPO, sir. Si Kenneth Albutra naman, sir, and his two companions, sir, from Pro 7. Na-issuean po kami ng reassignment order to Pro 4A dated June 4, 2018, sir. Then I assume the position of as OIC of Calamba City Police Station June 7, 2018, sir. But then, sir, nung nangyari yung kay Mayor Halili, sir, I was no longer the OIC. Dahil
Colonel Rosano,
na-relieve na
ang
ako, sir.
haba na nang in-explain